Now the professor will introduce us to the main groups of insects that we may encounter in our fields. Please note that the pests vary from one crop to another. Firstly, let's talk about Lepidoptera. These are caterpillars that become butterflies. Within the Lepidoptera family, we can distinguish Helicoverpa, which causes great damage on cotton, for example, by attacking the buds, but also on tomatoes by perforating the fruits. It is also called the tomato moth. It belongs to the group of endocarpic insects, meaning that it grows and evolves inside the fruits. On maize, Spodoptera frugiperta represents another big threat by attacking the leaves and cobs, strongly impacting the maize yields. It is also called fall armyworm. Biting midges pests can cause significant damage by biting the plants they feed on. They can also represent a gateway for diseases such as viruses, bacteria, and even fungi. Among these threats, aphids and whiteflies are well known, as well as mirids that specifically target cocoa pods. We also have mites, arthropods that sting leaves on the underside and cause them to shrivel. Red spiders are mites that are visible to the naked eye, capable of infesting many different plant species. On the other hand, nematodes can also damage plants by infecting the roots and feeding on sap. They are microscopic soil pests, so they are invisible to the naked eye. It should be noted that some insects can be invasive, that is, they reproduce very quickly and can cause significant damage. An invasive species is a plant or animal species which settles voluntarily or not and develops outside its environment of origin. Some other insects that are predators of these pests constitute what is called auxiliary fauna or beneficiaries. One example is the ladybug, which feeds on aphids. Beneficial fauna can be part of all of the above insect families. They are simply not harmful to the crop and even have a positive effect on the culture. Therefore, we should try to preserve them as much as possible.